All right, have you noticed that some videos have this applaud button right next to the join and right next to the subscribe? It's not all channels. And I was wondering, in order to get this applaud button, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours. But I noticed that not all channels have this applaud button. I know I've been a YouTube partner for a while now, so I chatted with them. So you can chat with YouTube once you become a partner. You see this chat here below. I asked them, how can I get the applaud button? So I'm gonna just show you on some channels. Look at this channel right here. You notice that this person have 13,000 subscribers and they have this button here. Let's go to this other channel. He have about 8,000 subscribers and he has a button. We're gonna go to this next one. She has 1,144K subscribers. You notice that she's have a button. But let's check out some of these bigger channels. Like this person, Beloved, she have 2.89 million subscribers. She don't have the button. Dave Ramsey, he almost have 2 million subscribers. He don't have the button. And I'm gonna show you how to check if you have the button or not. Say here I'm on my channel. You go down here to monetization and you go up here where it says supers. You click on it. And what you have to do is make sure you go ahead and sign up. I went through the process. Just put your name and email address. And once you're done, this will pop up right here. You notice that I have the super chat and the super stickers. On the other side, it should be applause button, but it's not on there. So like I said, I chatted with them and they sent me an email. And they said that this is in a beta. It's in beta format right now. So it's been out almost a year now, but they're only selecting a certain amount of people to try this out. So a lot of people haven't been selected yet. Once it go live, maybe you'll see it on your channel. But this is the email that I received from them, you know. So I hope all is well. I know it's important for you to have the applause feature. Rest assured that we'll do our best to sort this out for you going forward. And then they said, I carefully reviewed our resources and it seems like we are unable to manually add channels to the closed viewer applause beta at this time. If you are selected to participate in the future, you'll receive a notification from YouTube Studio dashboard to manually enable the feature. So you have to be chosen for this for right now. So it's still in trial error. I'm gonna just go to one. Let's look at this one. Say for instance, if you want somebody like your video, they want to applaud you, they just come here and click. And then you go to the person. I'm gonna go ahead and give $2. And I'm gonna go through PayPal. And I'm gonna hit buy. So I'm donating $2 to this person today, just show you how it works. Okay, I'm gonna use my Bank of America. I got everything set up. I agree. Let's see what else it says. Continue. This computer is running a little slower today. So there you go. And then I got an email from YouTube on my phone. They sending me a receipt saying that I donated. So let me see my PayPal. PayPal, I'm gonna open up my PayPal account. See right here, you see right here, recent transactions, $2. So there you go. That's how the applaud button works. So if you don't see it on your channel, it's because they didn't receive you in yet. So eventually, maybe in a couple of months, we'll all see this. I think it's a good idea, especially to help you get a little bit more residual income or income coming in. If somebody like your video, they just hit that button and applaud you. They could donate, I think, up to $500. Let's see. I'm gonna hit it again. Yeah, I mean $50. So they can donate up to $50 what's this, a super video? I applied $10, whatever. So you can just click which one you want. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.